primary goal of this competition is really to touch the hearts of young people who've never realized that going into manufacturing and into making castings or forgings could be a thrilling, worthwhile, purposeful, meaningful activity within a community of people who care about them.
The point of the competition isn't really the win or loss thing, don't get me wrong. Everybody's excited to win or lose, but it's really about designing and manipulating material to create a tool. It's an exciting thing to watch, and it's really fun to be part of it. It's important that we get young people on that track towards manufacturing, whether it's through sciences, art, design, engineering. All of those things kind of lead to what we're looking to recruit, basically.
So Cast and Steel is an amazing competition, and getting students to just walk all the way through a project from talking to the customer and understanding what it is the customer wants to seeing that product in the end. That whole entire process is a huge part of understanding the industry.
It's super apparent after doing this project that it's not necessarily what you know how to do, but it's who you know in this industry. If you don't know something, someone else definitely does, and they're definitely willing to help you and work with you to figure out your problem, and that's what engineering is all about. After this project, I'm definitely feeling supercharged and ready to enter this industry.
The Cast and Steel competition was really about networking. My teammates were able to reach out to foundry industries, and I was able to reach out to Magma representatives, and it really helped us putting the entire project together.
There's a lot of creative methods to get into engineering or to really find what you're interested in engineering.
The big point of Cast and Steel is basically to bridge that age gap, because foundries are a dying breed. There's mass producers who can do the job as that smaller foundries can't really keep up with. But the smaller foundries in America are what built this country and what built a lot of industries today. It's a really good opportunity for students to kind of connect with industry partners, and it's a good way for the students across the country and across the world to show their skills and craftsmanship that other competitions don't really offer.
No matter what you're doing, if you're an engineer on the floor, if you're a product engineer, if you're an estimator working with customers, all those aspects are within Cast and Steel, and you have to do every part of that. So it really gives you an overall view of the entire industry and an understanding of what goes into making a casting.
Huge thank you to the team at Cast and Steel, to the Steel Founders Society of America. This competition is an incredible opportunity for students, and without it, we would be far less prepared for our careers. With it, we feel confident and we feel prepared, and we feel like we already have experience under our belts that we can immediately take into our careers.